A couple of days back, that is on 16th March 2024, there was an interesting rescue operation that took place in the Arabian Sea, more specifically near the Gulf of Aden. The Somali pirates hijacked a ship by the name of MV Ruen back on December 14, 2023. That means, till now it was under the capture of Somalian pirates. In a 40-hour-long operation, Indian Navy's INS Subhadra and INS Kolkata intervened and responded to the distress call and rescued all 17 crew members without injury and forced all 35 pirates to surrender. Basically, what happened was, the Indian Navy's INS Kolkata, which is a stealth guided missile destroyer, and INS Subhadra, which is a patrolling vessel, usually operating on the western coast of India, had cornered the hijacked ship and forced all 35 pirates to surrender. Let me explain how this operation took place. So basically, the Somali pirates had hijacked and kept this ship near the Yemeni island of Socotra, which is here. Now, if you look at this island, it is approximately 2,600 km off the Indian coast. The Indian Navy was aware of this hijacked ship since the time it was captured, that is during December 2023. The Indian Navy kept a tab on the ship throughout the period and finally decided to launch a rescue operation on 16th Saturday, March 2024. So what happened was, INS Subhadra, which is a patrolling vessel, it was keeping an eye on the ship. INS Kolkata, which is a stealth guided missile destroyer, was cornering the hijacked ship. Now this is only possible with the help of a destroyer vessel. Then what happened was, a C-17 aircraft of the Indian Air Force executed a precision airdrop of 2 boats along with the Indian Marine Commandos very near to the hijacked area. This operation was named as Operation Sankalp. The Indian Navy successfully recaptured the Bulgarian ship and caught hold of the 35 Somali pirates. But let me also tell you about an interesting technology that was used by the Indian Navy throughout this operation. It is a spotter drone. All these pictures were taken by this spotter drone. Now you may think, what is so special about it? Every country's military has drones. By the way, let me tell you that I am talking about drones and not UAVs. So what you need to understand is that all drones land and take off from a stationary point, such as an island or a fixed position. But the cool thing about this Indian Navy spotted drones is that they can land and take off while the ship is moving and carrying out action at high speed. This technology is available only with 2 companies globally other than India. These drones can carry out long-range missions up to 20 kilometers. The drone's control can be transferred from one ship to another, and it can also be transferred to the Marine Commandos on the handheld system. So it was a joint operation of the Indian Navy and the Indian Air Force. MV Ruen is a Bulgarian ship. It is a bulk cargo vessel that was taken off the coast of Somalia in December 2023. Upon the successful rescue of the ship, Bulgaria's Deputy Prime Minister Maria Gabriel extended her gratitude to the Indian Navy for successfully rescuing 7 Bulgarians who were part of the crew that were held hostage by the Somali pirates. When you save the citizens of another country and their ship, and the Deputy Prime Minister of that country openly praises you, it becomes quite important and sends a strong signal to all the countries of the world, especially to India's eastern neighbor, China, who has been significantly spending a lot on its navy.